Hello, we're going to start with something new today. We're going to find where a sound is in a word, and then we're going to segment words, and then we're going to add to words. So listen to this sound, sh. The letters S-H spell sh. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to tell me if you hear the sh in the beginning, middle, or end of the word. Where do you hear sh in the word vanish? At the end, listen, vanish, sh. Where do you hear sh in the word should? At the beginning, listen, should. Where do you hear sh in the word wishing? In the middle, listen, wishing. Where do you hear sh in the word establish? At the end, listen, establish, sh. Where do you hear sh in the word shine? At the beginning, listen, shine. And where do you hear sh in the word fishing? In the middle, listen, fishing. Okay, for our next activity, I am going to say a word and we're going to segment or say the sounds in the word. Let's say the sounds in flute. F, l, oo, t. Let's say the sounds in crust. K, s, t. Let's say the sounds in steak. S, t, ache. Now I'll say a word. You pause it, see if you can say the sounds, and unpause and see if you did what I did. Let's say the sounds in bread. B, ed. Trim. T, m. Sweet. Sweet. Spent. Spent. Bliss. B-l-s. Okay, for our last activity, I'll say part of a word. We're going to add something to the beginning and see what new word we have. Say rush. Rush. Add b to the beginning and you have brush, brush. Say rack. Rack. Add k to the beginning and you have k, rack, crack. Say ruck. Ruck. Add t to the beginning and you have t, ruck, truck. Say rag. Rag. Add b to the beginning and you have b, rag, brag. Say ramp. Ramp. Add k to the beginning and you have k, ramp, cramp. Nice job today.